Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable the blue light filter on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. There are two options that we can use in order to activate the blue light filter. So let's go to the settings, then choose display, and now over here we can start with the night light, which is used pretty much the same way as the blue light filter. So you can turn this on by tapping on the slider, and then our screen will turn a little bit yellowish. We can also tap on the option in order to create the schedule or increase the sensitivity of the color. The second option that we can use is the colors in the display settings. So if you go there, then we can adjust the temperature, the color temperature. We can select warm, we can select cool, and we can create a custom one. So you can move more to the right side by ourselves, and then we can have our own color. However, of course, for instance, for reading and for eye protection, you should definitely use the night light. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.